Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add categories to your Weebly websites in 2023. Of course, categories are great ways to organize and group your content, making it easier for visitors to navigate and find what they're looking for. Whether you have a blog, portfolio, or an online store, adding categories can enhance the user experience. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you have in your PC or preferred browser you have, and go to the URL section once it's opened and type weebly.com and hit the enter button. Of course, don't type all of that after it, so let's just type weebly.com right away. And of course, this will normally take me right away to my home screen, which is this one, or my dashboard. And that's because I already logged into my account. But for you, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself on the home screen or main screen of Weebly website. For you, you'll have to go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up or create websites right now. And of course, those will take you through a prompt to create an account. Once you do so, you will have to follow steps of creating a website, and you'll find yourself normally on the overview right here. So simply, I'm just going to click on edit site to enter the editor website, which you'll normally find yourself. You just created your account. So here we are. So of course, to create categories, you will need to add new pages to your website in the Weebly editor. You can simply click on this pages option on the desktop menu as an example. Then you can click on this plus button to add any pages that you want. As you can see, you'll find here a lot of pages. So let's just click on add a standard page. And of course, you can give your page a title that represents your categories such as news, portfolio, or products, whatever it is. I'm just going to type news here as an example and click on done, and that's going to be our page. Of course, you can delete it or copy it, do whatever suits you. And of course, after adding a new page, you can customize it or its settings to make it a category as an example. You can click on the newly created page as an example, this one, or in the page list as an example. And on the right, of course, you can click here on the left, and as you can see, this will take you to the settings, and here you'll be able to edit the header of this page. If it's visible, it should be visible or not. You can edit any SEO settings of it, and you can even hide this and navigation if you want to. And of course, once you created your page, you'll be able to add your categories on it as an example. So drag the category in here. And as you can see, you'll be able to add whatever category you want. So as an example, I have some categories here. Let me just add it. And this is a category that I have an example. Of course, for you can go and add your custom categories and then add them here whenever you want. And of course, you can go and delete the page if you don't want it, and you will normally be good to go. Other than that, as an example, you'll be able to go and add some pages as an example. So simply you can click on pages right here. And as you can see, I have here a large amount of pages. So simply, if you don't have the necessary pages, an example for me, I have home, shop, about, updates, contact, blog, new page. Of course, I can go and rename the page as an example to whatever I want. And I can copy as an example. I can delete it. I can go and add some pages as a drop down menu for this. As you can see, if I go here and click on this, I'll find home, and I'll find in the drop down menu shop, about, updates. Why? Because I don't have those on the same line. As you can see, if you click, if I put them here as an example, so let's just go and wait, close this. And as you can see, those is the drop down menu of home, and those will be drop down menu of update. Let me just show you an example. Go to updates, and as you can see, that's because I'm putting them on the same line. So if I put them right here as an example, they should not be now on the drop down menu. I simply have to go and drag them out of the drop down menu, and here you are. As an example, now I'll find them all here. As you can see, all the pages, I'll find them here. If you want to put one as a drop-down menu of the other one, simply you'll have to go and tilt it a bit into the right, and this will put it as just drop-down menu for home. If you tilt it more to the right, that will put it as a drop-down menu for the thing before it. As you can see, this blog will be a drop-down menu for updates and etc. If you want to put it back, simply go and put it back to the left, and as you can see, you will be good to go. And of course, you will be able even to add more pages. As example, Sunder page, blog page, category page, product page, external page, and non-clickable menu as an example. Other than that, you can even click on theme, and as you can see, you'll be or you find here the light theme and the dark theme. And of course, let's just get back into dark. This will hurt my eyes. And of course, here, as you can see, change theme. If you click on it, you'll be able to change whatever theme you choose once you are creating your accounts. As an example, you'll be even to import any theme that you have. An example, if you want to, if it's not existing in Weebly, you'll be able even to change fonts. As an example, the site title, navigation menu, phone number, headline, subheadline. Of course, this is for the header area. The general area, you can change the font of it, the media area, and the store area also. Of course, you'll even be able to click on this theme option. As you can see, there is the search box. If you want to have it, make sure to turn it on, and if you don't, make sure to turn it off. And of course, you'll have even this app options to add as many apps that you want. So whatever you want to add in your website, you'll be able to add it here as an example. And of course, there is this settings option. Here, the settings option, as you can see, if you click on settings, just general, and here you'll be able to change the site address if you want to, the site title, the site category. SSL is enabled or disabled. You'll be able to disable it or enable it. And you'll be able to put a site password. And as you can see here, site format, an example, there is this SEO option, which will increase the keywords, or you can type the keywords to attract customers to your website. As an example, there is this editors option. You can add any editors that will be able to edit anything in your website. As an example, you can put other people that can edit in your website. There is the member option. Always, of course, you can add any members to your website again. And of course, there's here my apps. You'll find all the apps that you have, and my blogs here. You'll find, as you can see, those options. Of course, if you find any issues again, you can simply go always to this help option and click on supports. And of course, this will take you right away to the supports, and you'll be able to see if other people have the same problem. You still have the, or if you didn't find your problem here, you'll be able to scroll down and find for okay, here is community at the top. Of course, you can click on community and try to find a solution for your problem, or you can even go and contact the support if you didn't find a solution here or even with the community. So let's just get back here, and normally that's gonna be it. So let's just wait for the homepage until it comes, and here we are. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added categories to your Weebly website in 2023. By organizing your content into categories, you enhance the user experience and make it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for. Take advantage of Weebly customization option to create a visually appealing categories pages. So if you liked this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thanks for watching, and happy websites organizing. And I'll see you in the next video.